Okay, fuel tanks next. I bought a 5 litre one because a 10 litre one, I was not going to fit on here properly, so I want a 5 litre one. I drew the holes already pre-marked for you. I've just gone through it. There's only a tiny little film over them. Then I've got a pen and I've marked, if you can see that one there. Might not be able to see that. There you go, just marked them, ready to go. Before any of that, we've got to drill a hole in the bottom, and if you can see, that's got a pretty little dent in it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to drill it with a 6mm drill, because I think this is going to be about an 8mm by the look of it, and I want it to try and grip just on the inside, so I can try and thread it down as well, so it makes it more secure, if you understand what I mean. You're going to need a bit of wire. You might be able to use a coat hanger, but I think it might be a bit too thick for the hole. You can use a bit of wire from some old install-offs or electrical, cable. Take the earth wire out. You could use something like that. You could even use a fishing line if you put a little tiny weight on it and try and get it down through the hole. Well, that's what we're going to do next. So next job is to drill that and then thread this through that. So like this, down through, so it comes out, and hopefully you're going to try and turn it around and pull it through here, and then maybe screw it. Also comes with 2 rubber washers and a lock washer, so you're going to leave 1 washer at the top, take 1 washer off, so 1 on the inside and 1 on the outside, if you can see that. Sorry, got the camera at a bad angle. So 1 on the inside, 1 on the outside. There's no instructions with these when they come, so I'm just guessing and going as I go along. First things first, let's see if we can drill this hole accurately. There's a little indent in there. Well, that wasn't difficult at all. But also, you remember, you've got to check inside, because you don't want any debris inside. Actually, there isn't any. Oh, that's good. So you need it as clean as possible. Before I put it in, I'm going to try, because we might need a little bit more. No, there's nowhere near. I'm going to have to go bigger than that. Yeah, a lot bigger, because it's not even. Can you see that? Sorry. I'm struggling just to get the nozzle through, so I'm probably thinking maybe an 8. Yeah, so hold on. Here you go again. Check for any debris inside. You don't want any debris. Okay, that's what that's like. I have to go more yet, I think. I'm not going to get anywhere, am I? I was hoping to sort of screw that in as well. No, it's not going to go, is it? I might leave it as an 8 and just give it a little bit of a way around. We'll have a look. That wasn't 8, that was a 6 by the look of it. So now we've got an 8. So, oof, that drags. Okay, gives that a bit of a razz. That's it, that'll do it. So I'll double check that for you and I'll give you the measurements. So next thing to do, take one of the rubbers off, get your tank. Sorry, this is long-winded, folks, so get your wire look down inside your tank. There we go. Just feed it through. Get your nozzle. Okay. Push him down. Here he comes. Okay, just check inside. All good. Then you want your rubber on that, pushing in. Screw to make sure no more can come out. That's it. And somewhere I put the locking washer. Ah, there we go. You have to have two hands, I think. I'm going to pull him through. There isn't much to play with, I've got to admit. Got it. Right. Okay. Right, so we've got to tighten that up and then fix the tank. Okay, I'm going to give you a heads up here. This is quite a poor design. I don't know if you can see in there. Can you see the hole down there where my finger is? If you look either side of that, there's quite a considerable lip. This is quite a poor design, really. I might have to complain about this, because if I turn it over, the distance of that does not let this valve sit inside it. It doesn't fit properly inside, because inside there's a considerable lip, which I don't think you can see. I can zoom into that. Oops, sorry. Can you see that? There's quite a considerable lip, and it doesn't fit unless you narrow this down. But if you narrow this down, you're not going to get a good fit. So that's a poor design, very poor design.